We outside. Outside with it. In the park right there. Yo, nice fit, man, though. That's got some nice fit, man. Pretty nice, though. Vampire 37. Vampire 37.
I like how you got that white and blue.
350Z. I would drive this, though. Right, got the transformer set up over here.
Yeah, that's idle high.
It's been a while since we watched Transformers. I'm like, shoot. They got the whole Mopar set up over here. 350Z out here is packed out. Like, low-key is mad packed here. What's that guy?
And it's crazy, we gotta go to car meet and then order for people that have things going on.
Right.
Instead of having going to parties.
I'm putting this Instagram somewhere like top right there or top right there. Got red in his car. This fire though. You know he's getting the car redone soon. We're talking about Ray's car. This will come out too.
See, every damn car meet, everybody know how to have fun. Then
Exactly.
walk around and talk.
On the hydraulic. Oh, that's nice, man. Really outside. Super on the T's. That's actually nice. Got the M2 and the M4 over here. That's the whole BMW lineup. 370Z. Kevin, where you at, my bro? Playing the Kendrick diss track. Yo.
That's cold.
Not too much on him. Got Kurt in his S2000 with the Supra on the side. This red Volkswagen, that was mad loud. I love it. Good for me.
That was
Right.
That was that Westy.
Yep, that was the one that said I was loud. When he ran rev super loud. I would drive this A6 though. Okay. I got Vela. That's his IG handle. Kurt's car. Hey Media. See that G37 over there? Got the Del Sol, the Integras, all the Integras together. It's nice though. Got a nice E92 on the TEs. Oh wow. That's fire. Challenger. Civics and the EG series together. I mess with this though. MR2. As you can hear the rev in the background, we just chilling outside. I ain't got much to say this vlog. It was kind of more of a, it's more of a random vlog. Y'all see. Look, cute Miata. Where? As I can hear them revving over there. That's tough. That's tough. I actually like this tail on the ground. It's actually fire though. Nigga Honda. This Mustang over here. So the beast on the ghetto. Not the Volvo, rather.
Attention everyone, I need a ride home. Right here.
Bruh. It's been a little while here at the meet. I'm like, the meat starting to get a little ghetto. A little bit.